Go to your Make account and create the following scenario. Add a new to-chat trigger with the watch received WhatsApp message action. Before you must connect to chat to make using the API key. You will find the to-chat API key in your profile. Select the phone number connected to your to-chat account. Now, add a high-level lead connector with the search contact action. You must have HighLevel CRM active in another browser tab. This makes the connection process easier. Select the OAuth option in the connection type and enter connection's name and click on Save. This will open a new window where you must select the HighLevel sub-account which will be connected to this scenario. As the query filter, you must ask the phone field equals and the remote phone number from the to-chat trigger action, as you can see in the video. Add a router module. One branch will connect the create contact action. This will be executed only if the contact is not found. Fill out the form with the fields you need from the to-chat trigger module. You can add WhatsApp as the source so you can understand how the contact was created. The other branch will be executed if the contact exists in the CRM. This action will be add a note to the contact, and we will use it to add the messages sent by the user in a WhatsApp conversation. In the contact ID field, add the contact ID from the previous search contact action. And that's it. When you enable this integration, every WhatsApp message will create a new contact in HighLevel CRM, or it will add messages a note for existing contacts.